Hey guys, welcome back to Silhouette Success. I missed an upload on Friday. I do apologize, but my dear husband took me to Vegas for my 50th birthday. It was a ton of fun. Today we're back and ready to get at it, and we are going to work on a tool holder for your Cameo 4 tools. I believe this works with the Portrait 3 as well. This design comes from the Silhouette store. I think I paid $1.99 for it. The measurements are all perfect. It's totally worth it. And if everyone is ready, let's do this.
Open up Silhouette Studio and head over to the store. You're going to search for design number 378423. Once you've purchased your design, you can go back to Studio and then click on Library. Your new file will be in Recent Downloads, right-click and merge. It should look like this. Solid lines are cut lines and the dashed lines are score lines. There is a label that you can print off, but I did not want to use it, so I'm going to just set it off to the side here. This piece is not grouped together, so let's put it back in place. Select all of the pieces, right-click and group. This piece is grouped, and this one is grouped. We need to figure out which of the box pieces is the base. I'm going to switch the part that holds the tools to black so we can compare sizes. Let's select these two, center them, then zoom in to see how well they fit together. There is only a small gap here. I'm pretty sure that this one is the bottom, but let's check the other one as well just to be sure. Now, if you're cutting all of the pieces out of one color or pattern, this doesn't make too much difference at this point. But if you're using different colors for the top and bottom pieces, you'll want the tool holder to match the bottom piece so that it looks more uniform once it's put together. The center rectangle on this piece is a bit larger. This one is definitely the lid. Now let's zoom out, move the lid off of the mat. We can pull the bottom of the box onto the design mat and get these pieces set to cut. Both of these pieces can be cut out of one 12 by 12 piece of cardstock. Over in the Send panel, I'm going to set my material to cardstock textured and bump my blade up by 1. Let's send that through. Back to the Design tab, we can group these together. Pull them off to the side, bring on the piece for the lid, and we can send that through as well. This design will take a bit of time to cut because of the score lines. If you prefer to score your cardstock by hand, you can ungroup the pieces in the Design tab and just keep the solid lines. Now, to keep your cardstock from curling, you want to flip your mat over, keep the cardstock flat on your work surface, and peel the mat up and away. Here you can see the score lines. I usually use a scoring tool, but I wanted to show you the results of the dashed line scoring method. Let's grab the other two pieces. I'm starting with the bottom piece of the box here, and I am just folding along each one of the score lines. They're the same for all 4 sides. The next step is to take your tape runner or glue gun and secure the small flap towards the inside to give the box some stability. Then tape the next flap in and you'll have one side of your box finished, pretty inside and out. Move through all 4 sides like this. Here my tape runner is giving me a hard time. The corners are a little bit tricky. There is a diagonal fold and you want to get them folded towards the inside of the box. They'll look like little triangles. Tape and fold the small flap, then tape the larger flap and fold it in, covering up the corner flaps. Take your time with this part and make sure everything gets squared up properly. This will be more difficult with thicker paper. Press it in place and repeat on the other side. I'm still fighting with my tape runner. Okay, the actual tool holder has a few flaps that I couldn't figure out. If you make this and know what the score lines are there for, let me know. But anyway, I just folded them on the first and second score mark. I used the longer flap to secure the whole piece to the bottom of the box, and it worked out pretty well. Make sure it's going to be a good fit. That's perfect. Now we can finish folding for the tool slots. And this was the absolute last straw with this tape runner. I'm going to grab another one. This part got cut off a bit, and I do apologize, but I was just sticking the tool holder to the inside bottom of the box. There are spots for a pen adapter, auto blade, rotary blade, and 2 craft blades. Now you want to fold the lid just like you did the bottom of the box. And of course, hit the like button if you could use a little more organization in your craft room. This turned out beautifully. I'm so glad I went with the glitter ombre.
I think I'm going to head over now and grab the matching pen holder and try to get this craft mess under control. If you feel like hanging out on YouTube for a little while longer, you're going to want to catch this video here. Otherwise, go create something amazing, and I will see you in the next video.